Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. Today we'll be moving on to a new chapter under the same heading animals. So let me share my screen and I will show you a picture. So identify the picture, children. Yes, you can see a housefly, ladybird, butterfly, snail, honeybee, dragonfly, grasshopper, mosquito. Yes, children. So what are all these? These are insects. Very good, children. So under the heading animals, we are going to move on and learn about insects. So insects are peculiar creatures that are present all around us, isn't it? Yes, children. There are mosquitoes around us. We can see cockroaches or even ants. We see ants on a daily basis, isn't it? So they are present everywhere. See, they are present everywhere in large numbers. They are very large in number and they're present everywhere. Some insects are bright and colorful while some are dull. Bright and colorful, for example, your ladybird, your butterfly, they are all bright and colorful. But insects that are dull, you can say like the mosquito or the ants, yes, they don't have much color. Okay, so they're either black or gray. Okay, some insects harm us, isn't it? Some insects harm us. For example, a honeybee. If it stings us, what happens? It swells up. So it harms us. And also mosquito, obviously when it bites us, it itches, it sucks our blood. So when it sucks our blood, it itches for us and there is a small boil that happens to appear on our skin, isn't it, children? Yes. So some insects harm us, while some play important roles in our daily life. So some play important roles in our daily life. Okay, so now we're going to move on. Common insects. What are common insects? Insects that we see around us. Common insects are insects nothing but that we see almost every day on a daily basis. For example, housefly, ants, beetles, honeybees, mosquitoes, and cockroaches are some common insects. I don't have to tell y'all, you all know that all of these insects are insects that we see every day. Now, insects are found everywhere, both indoors and outdoors. We can find sometimes, somehow the cockroaches appear in our house, or simplest thing, the mosquitoes are everywhere. They appear in our house, they're outside also. So indoors is nothing but inside, that is in your house, and outdoors are when we go outside. Okay, now what are the body parts of an insect? The body of an adult insect is divided into three parts. They are divided into three parts. So they are the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Repeat with me, children. Head, thorax, and abdomen. So these are the three main parts of the body part of an adult insect. Now, insects have antenna on their head with the help of which they can smell and feel. Yes, children, we already learned in our living and non-living things that the antennas help the insects to smell and feel their whatever they can sense around them. Now, many insects have wings. Yes, many insects have wings. The mosquitoes, your housefly, your ladybird, your dragonfly, your butterfly. I can go on and on. Many insects have wings. Insects have a hard outer covering on their body called exoskeleton, isn't it, children? When you observe, for example, a cockroach, when you observe a cockroach, it has almost a hard covering that is outside the body and it is called exoskeleton. What is it called? Exoskeleton. Okay, so it is made up of a firm and durable substance called chitin that protects the inner parts of the body. So this hard covering is also a firm and durable substance. So it is like a protection for the body parts of any insect that is on the inside. So what is this substance called? It is called chitin that protects the inner parts of the body. Now, insects have 6 legs. Yes, children, 3 on each side. Insects have 6 legs. Now I want to show you the body parts of a insect. Can you see? Yes, this is the head of the insect. The antennas are present to help them feel the things around them and smell. Wings, obviously, to fly around. Thorax, abdomen, and 3 pairs of legs. It says here 3 pairs of legs, 6 in all, like I just mentioned, 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. So again, I'm going through. They have wings, antenna, head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. Now we're going to see the life cycle of a butterfly. Have all of y'all seen a butterfly? Yes, it is so pretty, isn't it? But it goes through a small cycle into how it becomes a butterfly. Most insects pass through different stages in their lives. Yes or no? Like how we are born, we are from a baby, we become into an adult, or from a teen to an adult, then you become old, isn't it? So even the same way, even insects have a life cycle. They also have a life cycle that they go through. Okay, so these stages together form the life cycle of an insect. So we usually call that as a life cycle of an insect. So now in particular, we are going to see the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so first, can you see? First, see the pictures. Sorry. So there is an egg, caterpillar, cocoon with pupa. Pupa turns into a butterfly. Butterfly leaves the cocoon, and then it's an adult butterfly. Now, there are importantly 5 stages. Okay, I've given it down here. First, a butterfly, it lays eggs. Yes. Then the egg hatches into a caterpillar. So this is what happens in the second stage. Then the caterpillar sheds its skin and becomes into a pupa. So it becomes like a small cup-like shape. Can you see here, children? It becomes into a pupa. So first it lays eggs, then it hatches into a caterpillar, and then what happens? This caterpillar sheds its skin and it becomes into a pupa, a cocoon with pupa. A cocoon is nothing but like a small kind of a place where this caterpillar is there, and now it slowly develops into a butterfly. That's the next one. The pupa develops into a butterfly. Can you see it slowly changing color, and as it is inside, it becomes into a butterfly. It develops slowly. Lastly, it becomes into a adult butterfly. Yes, it leaves its cocoon, it comes out of the cocoon, and it becomes into a beautiful butterfly that we see. A butterfly comes in different colors, isn't it? So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. Let's go through once again. First, the butterfly lays eggs. Then the eggs hatch into a caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds its skin and it becomes into a pupa, a cocoon with a pupa. So it's inside that. And then this pupa develops into a butterfly, and then it becomes a butterfly, a very pretty butterfly. So this is what we have learned so far, children. Make sure to go through the video again, and we will meet in the next class. Thank you.